Okay, so next we are going to duplicate an angle. So this one's a little bit more involved than this segment, um, but we start the same way with a ray. So again, a point and a ray. Again, an angle is just two rays that meet at the same vertex, and so we have our first ray here. Now when we do our construction, we just need to figure out how far to open up our second ray. So we've got to do a couple of things. The first one, we're going to make an arc anywhere on our first angle. Make sure that it's going to intersect both. Whoa. Make sure it's going to intersect both of your sides, like that. And then keeping the same distance, bring it down to your new ray. And make sure it opens at least as far as your angle needs to open. Having some difficulties here. Okay, so what that gets us is kind of a set distance out, so that when we measure how wide our angle actually is, we're not saying, oh, it's this wide out here and it's this narrow in here. We have one set distance that we're going to measure from. So we're going to set our compass now to the distance of the opening of the angle at that arc that we made. Again, I like to make a little bit of an arc there, and then we're just going to copy the same thing down over here. So our one point of our compass goes at the intersection we already know, and our other point, our pencil goes right there, so that we can get the intersection that we don't know. Now that point that we just constructed there, that's going to be the same as the second point up here. Basically, we've just done the exact same thing on our original angle as we did on our new angle. So then we can go ahead and draw our ray from this vertex through the point, and we've copied our angle. Now basically what we've done here is we've made a triangle. We've set these two distances equal to these two distances with our first arc, and then the distance between these 2 points and these 2 points we've set with our second arc. So we've kind of basically copied 3 different line segments to copy one angle, and we've made a triangle out of that.